Let's see Union Government 15 apex bodies. The first one, President of India. Second one, Vice President of India. Third one, Cabinet Secretariat. Fourth one, Election Commission of India. Fifth one, Union Public Service Commission UPSC. Sixth one, National Human Rights Commission NHRC. Seventh one, Comptroller and Auditor General CAG. And eighth one, Indian Audit and Accounts Department. Ninth one, Niti Aayog, National Institution for Transforming India. 10th one, National Commission for Women NCW. And 11th one, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes NCST. 12th one, 15th Finance Commission of India. 13th one, National Commission for Minorities NCM. 14th one, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority IRDA. 15th one, Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor.